Good afternoon, everybody. This is Lorraine, Alternative Homesteading, and it's late. The chickens are getting ready to go roost for the evening. Here comes Clucker Tucker Carlson. And I wanted to thank, there are three people that donated to our cat rescue, Freya's Cat Rescue, through Chewy Gives Back. Thank you so much. I so appreciate it. I just want to let you know that I did receive all three gifts from three separate individuals. Now, two of the individuals I know because they contacted me, and another individual I don't know. And this is why. What happens when you purchase from our Chewy wish list, they automatically send us an email that a donation is on the way, but they do not tell me who gave us the donation. If you purchase a gift card, and here comes a stalker, you see that? That's one of our favorite stalkers. The black windows, the nice expensive car that's out of the ordinary for this location. But if you purchase a gift card, a Chewy gift card for us, we will receive a copy of the gift card and the gift card code and the name of the individual that purchased it for us. I don't have an email address. They never send us an email address or tell us how to get in touch with the individual that purchased the gift card. Although when you purchase a gift card, I'm aware of who purchased it. So last week we received a gift card from a Kathleen, and I'd mentioned, I don't know which Kathleen it is. I know her last name, but she's not familiar to me. I'm not sure if she's on my channel or if she's on one of my other lists or through my Twitter, whatever. But thank you so much. I so appreciate it because we go through cat food here like crazy. And part of the reason is, well, we have a lot of cats. We also have a lot of birds, and the birds are real keen on stealing the cat food. They're very sneaky about it. I'll have cat food out. They'll eat the dry food, the wet food, and then they got those little guilty looks on their faces, like when they were walking down the hill last week after they were missing for 2.5 hours. But they steal a lot of the cat food, and then, of course, at night, after these birds go to sleep, I'll put food out for the outside cats. And then depending on the kind of weather it is, the raccoons start to come out and the possums. And they start stealing the food. So, and of course I feel bad for them. One of the possums brought some babies. I mean, how could you not feed a baby possum, even though I don't like possums? They look like big New York City rats. But, how could you not feed a baby possum that's coming onto the porch? And so they're eating the cat food. So thank you so much. But I just want to let you know that if you gift us with the donation, not only is it tax deductible, okay, so you need to know it is tax deductible. Save your receipt. If you need a formal receipt, like a letter from us, just email me. You could actually email me at freyascatrescue@gmail.com. That is our nonprofit email address. And no, it is not open to the creature that is stalking my channel. And I want to give an update on that too. But I just wanted to do this. Thank you for the donations. I so appreciate it. And also to let you know that Amazon Smile, that some of you have been donating through your purchases, is shutting down. So we will no longer be receiving a portion of your Amazon purchases for those who have selected Freya's Cat Rescue. Instead, we have an iGive account, iGive, and you can actually download the app and the button. And once you download the button and you start making purchases, it automatically knows which stores are associated with iGive. And actually, Chewy is associated with iGive and Walmart. So if you